Hey cookies, it's your girl Ayana Pirana, and I'm here wearing this awesome WAP t-shirt. You need to go over to FC on the Beats, I think it's .net, or even just FC on the Beats on Instagram and check that out and get it, or that chick Tori, Tori, and you can pick this up. So I'm gonna film an outfit today, and I decided to put on a little beat. Bought a new palette, and I'm super excited about it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it and do a full-on makeup look today, but I figured the least that I could do is maybe give you an updated eyebrow tutorial, perhaps. So before I get into all of that, subscribe. Subscribe to this channel somewhere up and through here, right? And then right below that is a little bell notification, and I need you to go ahead and hit that bell notification so that you are notified every time I put up videos and or post, which is every Wednesday. So now that we've gotten all of that out of the way, let us get into brows. Okay, I don't have my spoolie, so screw it, because I don't feel like getting up and going across the room to get it. So I start with brushing up my eyebrow hair. Pencil. This is the Nikkei. I use a lot of their products. It's quality and inexpensive to me anyway. So my face is washed and moisturized, I guess. But yeah. So, oh. See how when you be trying to do a makeup tutorial-ish and show people how you do your makeup and you start forgetting things? We're going to prime. So what I'm using right now is Black Radiance True HD Primer. Do I need to do the... There we go. It's tinted. What I used to use was the Wet n Wild Photo Finish that went with this, but everybody's like changing the formula of stuff, and I'm like, if it ain't broke, then like, why y'all changing it? Like, I liked the other one. It's tinted. Nothing special. Put it on your face like lotion. Put a little on your eyebrows. I don't know where my spoolie is. I think it's behind me somewhere. But nonetheless, girl, just brush your eyebrow hairs up. Pencil, powder, whatever you use, pick your poison. I have a number of different ones. It just depends on which closest to me, and then that's what I use. So, lately what I've gone back to is drawing the outline of how I want my eyebrows to look, and then kind of filling it in. So see what I did there is I drew a line underneath and I kind of went straight out. But you're like, Patrice, you still got eyebrow hair over there. I do, girl, but just pay attention. So I'm going to create the shape that I want. Now, my eyebrows are not like freshly waxed or anything like that. So the hair that's left out here, we're going to erase it with concealer, because why? That's just what we're going to do. And so again, over the top to build my shape and bring it down. And see, that's where my scar is. I just fill that in. And then light strokes. And anything I mess up here, I'm going to correct with concealer, so don't worry about it. All right. And my phone is going off. quite a bit. But there it is. So like you see the difference. Not filled in, filled in. And we're going to do all kinds of stuff to that. So I have two concealers that I typically use for my brows. And let me see if I can find that. Holy Grail. Everybody uses this. I'm sorry. LA Girl Pro Concealer. I use, I believe, Fawn. This one is an old one, so it's wiped off. That, or I use this. It is 2-in-1 Concealer Foundation. Santee is the brand. I get this from shopmissa.com, and if you've seen any of my hauls, you've seen that I got this. And excuse me, I have a peppermint in my mouth. So with this one, you squeeze it, it comes through the brush. You can do the top, you can do the bottom. With this one, and I think I have more than one of these. Here's the newer one. So with this one, it comes with this type of applicator, and as you can see, there's the product at the top. I like the color of it. So what I do is, and I'm going to try to not make this video forever long, but I'll show you how to do an eyebrow. So I just take it and I'll go under. And then I'll do a line at the top. Now you see there's a little space in there, but there's a reason why I did that. So this is my sister who keeps texting me. So turn the finger off on that. And the brush that I'm now using to do my eyebrows is this. And this is a flat tipped brush that I got from Dollar General. And so far, this is like the best brush that I've used to do my eyebrows. Prior to this one, I was using this one, which I like as well. And it is like a fake MAC brush that I got years and years ago before I really knew anything about makeup. Beat Faced Honey said she got a set of fake MAC brushes off of eBay. So I did just like her, because why, she can do makeup. And went and got this off of, off of eBay. So, yeah, so this is what I was using before that. Prior to this one, I was using something more along the lines of this, but a bigger brush doesn't give you, it's a foundation brush, it doesn't give you as much control and precision as a smaller brush does. So a lot of talking just to show you what I'm doing. So let me, okay, so with this, the concealer underneath, I kind of blend up and then blend down, because then that'll create a primer for my eyeshadow. Whoops. So you see the difference? Natural eyebrow that needs maintenance, eyebrow that's filled in, right? Okay, so now that that's filled in, And if you're worried, you're like, oh my God, she used the concealer is too light, it's creating a halo. Oh sis, you need to blend. Don't worry, I do my eyebrows first and then I go back over this with my foundation, and so they're all blends in, so there's no gradient effect or nothing's lighter. There's no like cast or halo. Blah blah blah, right? So what I'm looking for is my brow mascara, which I don't think I have in here. Okay, so Colleen Colors Flawless Brows Tinted Brow Mascara. So this is not really a dark one, and since my hair is kind of dark right now, I always use this as my base because it's very thick. However, I'm running out of this, and I did order another one from Shop Miss A. So what I do when it starts to run out or gets dry, take your setting spray, do all of that, and then I go in and I do this towards the beginning part of it to make it look a little bit more natural and blend it out. But there it is, and that's how I set it. And now if I am, like I said, if I wanted to blend a little bit better and my hair is a little bit darker, I do use that brow one. But listen, improvise with what you have. Again, another Nicka K product. This is one of their mascaras. I liked the wand, and so sometimes I'll just rake a little bit of that through there. Because that helps to darken the brow. So there is one eyebrow done. And also what I do, seeing as how I'm actually getting ready to do pretty much a full face, the same concealer that I take when I do my eyebrows, like when I'm really just going through this and not telling you what I'm doing as I'm doing it, because I don't film makeup videos. The same thing, like see there's a spot here, like I have some scarring and some dark marks. It's concealing. Like I do have color correcting cream, but like I don't know, I think it makes my foundation looks a little bit more orangey. So what I do is I just go over like my little scars, dark marks or whatever with this while I'm doing my eyebrows. And later, like, I'll come back and blend that. And I don't mind if I get it over here, because like I said, like I'm going to do an eyeshadow look perhaps. But anyway, that's what I do with that. And I'll just do the other eyebrow without talking so that you guys see how I do my eyebrows. Like, this is not a tutorial. Like, I'm already at 12 minutes and we're just doing one brow, right? So it's not a tutorial, but this is just showing you how I do my eyebrows. So I'm just going to do the other one without talking, and then perhaps one day I'll learn how to actually film an adult makeup tutorial. But okay, so I've already primed my face. Push those hairs up in the direction you want them to go in. again, like,